Welcome back. Today's goal of this lecture. Today I will see properties of AB matrices. Properties of AB and BA matrices. This property actually very important for any competitive exam. So I will see this type of properties. If AB equal to 0 matrix, this does not always imply both A and B. This does not always imply A and B are 0 matrix. As for example, A equal to 0, 1, 0, 0 and B equal to 1, 0, 0, 0. Notice here AB equal to 0 matrix, but A and B both are non-zero matrix. That means AB equal to 0 matrix, this does not imply A and B are both 0 matrix. Here AB equal to 0, but both A is non-zero and B is non-zero. Also, AB equal to 0, this does not imply BA equal to 0 matrix. As for example, consider A equal to 0, 1, 0, 0 and B equal to 1, 0, 0, 0. Notice here AB equal to 0 matrix, but BA is non-zero matrix. So AB equal to 0, this does not always imply BA equal to 0. Next property of AB matrices is depends on diagonalizability. What is the properties of diagonalizability about AB matrices? Let's see. If AB and BA both equal, then A is diagonalizable. That does not always imply B is diagonalizable. B may or may not be diagonalizable. B may or may not be diagonalizable. Consider A is scalar matrix. If A is scalar matrix, then always AB equal to BA. But B may not be diagonalizable. If A is scalar matrix, then A commutes whole type of B. But B may or may not be diagonalizable. Also another condition, trace is always equal. Trace of AB equal to trace of BA. We all of us know this is if AB not be square matrix. AB equal to M cross N matrix, where M not equal to N and M greater than N, then what would be the rank of AB? Rank of AB, we all of us know, rank of AB less than equal to minimum of rank of A, rank of B. And rank of A less than equal to minimum of M comma N. And since M greater than N, this is equal to N, and rank of B less than equal to minimum of m comma n, and also this is equal to n. That means rank of AB would be less than equal to n when m greater than n. That imply determinant of AB equal to 0. So 0 is always eigenvalue of the matrix AB. That means if AB m cross n matrix where m not equal to n and m greater than n, then rank of AB always would be less than equal to n. And since rank of AB is less than equal to n, so determinant of AB equal to 0, then that implies 0 is always eigenvalue of the matrix A. And when A is m cross n and B is n cross m with m less than n, then characteristic polynomial of BA is equal to t to the power n minus m characteristic polynomial of AB. And when n equal to m, when the square matrix, then characteristic polynomial of AB is equal to characteristic polynomial of BA. And when m less than n, then AB and BA have same set of non-zero eigenvalue with algebraic multiplicity. And when n equal to m, then characteristic polynomial of AB is equal to characteristic polynomial of BA, and both AB and BA always have same set of eigenvalue with algebraic multiplicity. And another property, if m equal to n and at least one of A and B are non-singular, then AB is similar to BA. Okay? Then if A is non-singular, if determinant of A is not equal to 0, as for example, then when m equal to n, obviously, then P inverse, here A is non-singular, A inverse AB, this is similar to BA. That means AB is similar to BA when at least one of A and B are non-singular. Now I will see one example. This is the properties of AB matrix and BA matrix. That means when AB and BA are of same size, then characteristic polynomial of AB equal to BA, also eigenvalue same, but minimal polynomial may or may not be same. As for example, a equal to 0, 1, 0, 0 and b equal to 1, 0, 0, 0. Notice the minimal polynomial of a and b are not same. That means when the matrix is same size, then their characteristic polynomial are same, but and eigenvalue are same. But minimal polynomial may or may not be same. But when the matrix is not square matrix, then AB and BA same set of non-zero eigenvalue with algebraic multiplicity, and their characteristic polynomial not be same. But if AB has 0 as eigenvalue, then always BA also 0 as an eigenvalue. But since m less than n, so their algebraic multiplicity here not same. Here algebraic multiplicity only same for non-zero eigenvalue. Okay? Question: A and B are square matrix or of same order. Here notice given the order is same. Then which of the following is and are correct? Option 1, AB equal to BA. Characteristic polynomial of AB equal to characteristic polynomial of BA. Characteristic polynomial of AB not equal to characteristic polynomial of BA. Option 4, AB and BA have same set of eigenvalue without algebraic multiplicity. Here notice, here denoted without algebraic multiplicity, but when the matrix is square matrix, then AB and BA always same set of eigenvalue with algebraic multiplicity. So option 4 also wrong option. And here characteristic polynomial of AB and characteristic polynomial of B always same. But option 3 given AB characteristic polynomial AB not equal to characteristic polynomial of BA. This is not. And square matrix, that does not mean AB and B are always same. So option 1 also wrong option. This type of concept, this type of knowledge actually very important for any competitive exam. Also another property is, if AB is nilpotent, then that imply BA also nilpotent matrix. Next property is, if A is invertible, then char AB is equal to characteristic polynomial of BA, because if A is invertible, then AB is similar to BA, and similar matrices, when the matrices is similar, then their characteristic polynomial, their trace, their eigenvalue all are equal. So when A is invertible, then characteristic polynomial of AB is equal to characteristic polynomial of BA. This is the properties of AB and BA matrices. These properties are very important for any competitive exam. Okay, I will stop here. In my next video, I will discuss more question about linear algebra, because linear algebra, this topic is very important for any competitive exam. Okay, see you soon. Stay safe and stay positive always, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.